Hello guys, welcome back in my channel, and I'm back here with new episode about my best-selling video and picture for month June 2021, and I hope so you will learn something new from me, and I hope so I will motivate you for a new work with your camera or your video camera. I must say in beginning it was not really good month for me, and honestly it's the worst month for this year 2021, and my sale is very low, but I hope so the next month will be better. But you know, the summer is really more slower than better, and everything is returning back in probably like September, October, November until Christmas time. And here is what I sold this month, and I will put some price for your information, and I will let you know a couple of words about images what I sold. Definitely the best-selling agency for this month of the June, it's Shutterstock, and on second place right behind Shutterstock it's Dreamsteam, and after it's AM and Alami. This is really my 4 best-selling agency in the month of June. What I sold? Really, I sold not too much video this month. Month of June is really slow for me for video, and really just couple small sales happens. Nothing major. It's not even worth it to talk about it. If we talk about the picture, it's so. It's no bad, but definitely nothing shocking or surprising. What I am really surprised is I sold a couple of winter images from snow plowing and from snow plowing from winter life. What is really surprise, but honestly somewhere must be winter, and when it's summer in United States. The highest sold images for this month it was sold on AM, and it was glass with honey and dipping with a wooden spoon inside, and it's selling for $10.42. And other really big seller, sorry for the words, the big, it was from Alami, and it's lobster cage. It was sold for $8, and just the rest is just usual images, some food, some traveling, some cars, some celebrities. It's really nothing special, but nothing really, no really like high sell. Pretty slow months for me, but it was slow for sale, but it's really very busy month for me because I did a lot of I did really many new images. I can say really basically at least couple hundreds many new footages, and I already start play with my new Sony camera. I am already working on video for you, and I will tell you a couple more words about the camera, what I like it, what I don't like it. I don't want to talk about this right now because I will like to save the story for my next episode, which one is the one it will be coming soon to my channel. I hope so you will enjoy this video and the images I will post here for you. Almost everyone what you will see here is really sold, probably all. I like to keep you posted with some sellers. It doesn't have sense put the video to my story with not seller, and this don't give you too many idea if it's sellers or no. I really try to use the summertime for many new videos and pictures. What I told you this before, because it's really the best time, and it is really short time. I don't want cry on winter why I don't do this, why I don't take picture outside, why I don't go to beach. I hope so we will have beautiful long weekend here in United States, and don't forget take some firework picture or firework video footage. I'm still selling some footage what is really, I can say, like 10 years old, and it still is selling, and it's really no from big cities, no from New York City or any other big city. It is from small town, and it's still selling. This means doesn't have to be only the big city. I understand the big cities definitely have more potential, but this no mean you cannot take a good picture or video in small town. It's really just about the photographer and videographer. I learned the lesson, and I always try to do the most picture I can from any location where I am, because probably we will never back to same place. In beginning I always say, oh, I will do this time, or maybe next time I will stop by next year. Never happens. Just do it at the moment when you're there, and keep your camera always with you. I have always, almost like 99% of my time, it's always one more camera in my car and one in my hand, because I don't like to be outside without camera. And I don't have problem when I see something, stop the car and return to the place and shoot the picture and just continue after, because the opportunity sometimes comes to you only once. You can use it, or you just can let it go. It's really up to you, it's up to photographers. It depends what you want. Don't listen if someone is telling you, hey, don't shoot the American flags, it's too many in every stock agency, don't shoot gas or ducks. It is not true. This month I sold couple images from American flags, and someone it's really just taking couple days ago, and you can see it's selling, and I have some one what is really I don't like, it's like bad picture, I just put some text inside and it's sold. Sometimes it's really, it's surprise. Same with fireworks. Don't listen to people, it's too many fireworks. Yeah, it is many, I agree, but you never know what is buyer looking for. Maybe you have the good angle, maybe you have the right place, maybe you are on the right spot, maybe you have better sky. I don't know, it's many things what can make the final decision coming to your side against the other maybe better looking picture. It is sometimes, it was strange, but this is how is this market is working. Nobody don't know upfront if this image will be seller or not. With experience you can say yes, this has bigger chance, but not always, and I am shocked really, not once but many times with images what is sold, and with images which one is never sold, and I think in beginning, yes, this is really big seller. No, this don't work like that. Don't go this way. Shoot wherever you can shoot and try your the best, because you never know who will look for this picture. Thank you for watching my channel, and please, if you like, click on the like and subscribe for more new video from me.